Now we'll show you how you can use the standards. Let's look at for what purpose they were developed and how you can use them. ESOL teachers can use the standards to evaluate their own strengths as instructors and to identify areas for improvement. ESOL teachers and directors can use the sample application section as a kind of checklist to make concrete changes in their teaching practice. ESOL directors can consult the standards when designing their teacher observation or evaluation protocols or when hiring new teachers, and also as a tool to help plan staff and professional development goals and activities with staff. The standards provide a structure and context for choosing professional development activities and for building knowledge and skills, all with the goal of strengthening instruction for the English language learners in Massachusetts. Now that we've reviewed the reasons for the standards, please pause the presentation to fill out the additional information you learned about why the Massachusetts Professional Standards for Teachers of Adult ESOL were created and for what purposes in the pre and post workshop reflection document.